Welcome back to Crystal Vibes. In this video I will show you how can you remove background in just one click and add a new background to your photo. For that, go to layers and you can see your background image is selected. From here it is locked. By clicking this you can unlock this. Go to Windows. From here you can see properties. You will get this panel. Now once you get your properties panel, you can go to quick access and you can see this option remove background. From here just click it. Now it will process for some time and you will directly get the result. So you can see our background is being removed within a second. Now to add a new background, just bring your background from your library. Suppose this is the background that I want to add in this photo. For this, select this layer and drag it to down so that it will go behind the girl. Now you can press Ctrl T to get the transform control, and by pressing shift and alt together, you can drag it to resize it. From here you can click to this checkbox. Now if you want to make some adjustments, you can make it. So in this way, we have removed the background in just one click and add a new background to a photo. To learn more tutorials like this, you can subscribe to Crystal Vibes and press the bell icon